Welcome to ClickFix tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows PC or laptop without Microsoft Store. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will do the trick. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Web and hit enter. From the search results, click on the first link, which should be web.whatsapp.com. Once the page loads, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Save and Share, and then click on Install WhatsApp Web. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click on Install. Now, WhatsApp is installed, but we need to link it to your mobile device. Grab your phone, open WhatsApp, and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then, select Link Devices. A QR code will appear on your computer screen. Use your phone to scan the QR code, and your WhatsApp account is now synced and ready to use on your desktop. You can chat, check statuses, create new contacts, and even customize your settings, just like on your phone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to ClickFix tutorial for more handy guides like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.